Profit and loss. First we have to know what is cost price. So cost price can be represented as CP, purchasing price. So then cost price. So what is the difference between purchasing price and the cost price? So in Amazon, I want to buy a phone for rupees 12,000. The shipping charges is 100 rupees. The purchasing price of phone is 12,000 rupees and shipping charges is 100 rupees. The cost price is 12,000 rupees plus 100 rupees. So total cost price is 12,100 rupees. So cost price is always less than or equal to the cost price. Second one is selling price. So selling price can be represented as SP. So next one is marked price. So are listed price. So this can be represented as MP. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So selling price is more than cost price, then we will get profit. So selling price is less than the cost price, then we will get loss. Profit percentage. Profit percentage. So I am buy a pen for 10 rupees and selling the pen to the 12 rupees. So what is the profit? Here we have to get the profit of 2 rupees for 10 rupees. So the profit percentage is 2 by 10 into 100%. So here I am buy the pen for 10 rupees and sell the pen to 15 rupees. So here the profit is 5 rupees for 10 rupees. So profit percentage is 5 by 10 into 100. So here we are comparing with the cost price. So percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So loss percentage. Buy a pen for 10 rupees and sell it to the 8 rupees. So here loss is 2 rupees for 10 rupees. So 2 by 10 into 100%. So here we are comparing the loss with the cost price. Percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100%. Discount. Here the market price is 100 rupees and give a discount of 20 rupees. So the selling price is 80 rupees. Here discount is equal to MP minus SP. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So discount percentage. Discount can be represented as D. So discount percentage is equal to discount by market price into 100%. So discount percentage can be calculated on MP, market price. Market price is equal to 100 rupees and the discount is 10%. So what is selling price? Say market price is equal to 100, so discount is equal to 10%. So selling price is equal to, so 100, 10% 100, value is 10 rupees. So 100 minus 10, so value is 90 rupees. Here selling price is 90% of MP. So here selling price is equal to 90% of market price, can be written as market price into 90%. Here SP is equal to MP into 90% can be written as 100% minus discount percentage. So selling price is equal to market price into, here 90% can be written as 100% minus 10%. 90% minus, here 10% is a discount percentage. So without percentage, so percentage means by 100, we have to write selling price is equal to market price into 100 minus discount by 100. So here what is the relation of market price and the selling price? So market price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount. This is equal to SP by 100% minus discount percentage. This can be written as, so percentage means by 100. So market price is equal to selling price by 100 minus discount by 100 means into 100. This can be written as this one, both are equal. So cost price is equal to 100 rupees. So profit percentage is equal to 10%. So what is selling price? So cost price is equal to 100. So 10% profit is 10%. So 10% of 100, value is 10. So cost price is equal to 110 rupees. So selling price is equal to profit 10% of profit. That means that value is equal to 110% of cost price. Here the 10 percentage is increased, so 110 percentage of cost price. Here selling price is equal to, this can be written as cost price into 110 percentage. So selling price is equal to cost price into 110 percentage. So here selling price is equal to cost price into 110 percentage can be written as 100 percentage plus 10 percentage. So here SP is equal to CP into, here 10 percentage is a profit percentage. So 100 percentage plus profit percentage. From this we have to calculate the CP. So cost price is equal to selling price by 100 percentage plus profit percentage. So here removing the percentage, by percentage means by 100, this value is equal to SP by 100%, 100 plus profit into 1 by 100, that means SP into 100 by 100 plus profit. So CP is equal to SP by 100 plus 100 percentage plus profit percentage. There may be loss, that means SP by 100 percentage minus loss percentage. So this value is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit, or 100 minus loss. So here cost price of an item is 100 rupees, and the profit is 20 rupees. So what is the selling price? So cost price is 100, so sold that item at the profit of 20 percentage, then the selling price is what? So here market price is 150 rupees and give the discount of 30 rupees. So what is the selling price? Here the cost price is 100, sell at the profit of 20, then the selling price is 120 rupees. So market price is 150 and give the discount of 30 rupees, then the selling price is 120 rupees. Here give, by using the cost price and the profit, we have to calculate the selling price. And second way, they are giving a market price and then discount, then we have to calculate the selling price. So here the relationship for cost price and selling price is, here the selling price is equal to cost price into 100 percentage plus profit percentage. So here the selling price is equal to, market price into 100 percentage minus discount. This is the selling price, this is also selling price. So A is equal to B, so A is equal to C. That means B is equal to C. So here CP into 100 percentage plus profit percentage is equal to M market price into 100 percentage minus discount percentage. So there is a 2x is equal to 3y. So value of x is equal to 3, value of y is equal to 2. Similarly, value of cost price is equal to 100% minus discount percentage. Here market price is equal to 100% plus profit percentage. So CP by cost price by market price is equal to 100% minus discount percentage by 100% plus profit percentage. So this is the relationship between the cost price and the market price when they are giving discount percentage and profit percentage. This is very important formula to calculate lots of problems in profit and loss. Selling price is equal to market price into 100% minus discount percentage. So here selling price is equal to CP into 100% plus profit percentage. So this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2, cost price by market price is equal to 100% minus discount percentage by 100% plus profit percentage. Find the cost price of an article which is sold at rupees 1470 at a profit of 16.2/3%. Profit is 1 and cost price is 7. So cost price is equal to SP minus profit. So CP represents 6 units. Here selling price 7 units represents 1470. So 1 unit represent by 7 210 rupees. So find cost price. This represents 6 units. So into 210, so value is 1260 rupees. A man sell his goods at 81/3% profit. Find the cost price of an article if it is sold at rupees 65,780. So 81/3%. Convert this percentage into fraction. This is equal to 1/12. Say the original value is 12 units. Sold at the profit of 81/3%. So this is percentage result. So here profit is 1. So original number is 12. So it is increased by 81/3%. That value is 1. So selling price represents 12 plus 1. So 13 units. So what is the cost price? If the selling price is 13, profit is 1. So cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So value is 12 units. So here 13 units represent 65,780. So 1 unit represent 5060. So what is CP? So 12 units represent into 5060. So value is 07260. So 60,720. So a shopkeeper sells his articles at 16 2 by 3 percentage profit on selling price. Find his actual profit percentage. So convert 16 2 by 3 percentage into fraction. So value is 1 by 6. Is a profit. 16 2 by 3 percentage profit on selling price. So here the profit is 16 2 by 3 percentage. Here the profit is 1 unit. So here you are comparing with on SP. So selling price is 6 units. So the profit is 1 unit, selling price is 6 units. So what is the cost price? So cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So cost price is equal to 5 units. So find his actual profit percentage. So profit percentage can be calculated on CP. So profit is 1 by, here cost price is 5, so 1 by 5 into 100. So value is 20%. So a man sells his goods at 25% loss on selling price. Find his loss percentage. 25% percentage to fraction, that value is 1 by 4. So here loss is 25%, that value is equal to 1. So here loss is equal to 1. Here 25% loss on SP. So here the selling price SP is equal to 4. So what is cost price? So the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So value is equal to 5. So find loss percentage. So loss percentage is loss by, here we calculate loss percentage on CP, cost price. So value is 5. So 1 by 5 into 100. So value is equal to 20%. So a man sells his goods at 8 1 by 3% profit on selling price. Find actual profit percentage. 8 1 by 3% percentage to fraction, that value is equal to 1 by 12. So 8 1 by 3% percentage result is 1. So here the profit is 1. 8 1 by 3% profit on SP. Here we are comparing with SP. So here selling price is equal to 12. So what is the cost price? The cost price is equal to SP minus profit. That value is 11. So find profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So value is equal to 9 1 by 11%. Cost price of 16 articles is equal to selling price of 14 articles. Find the profit or loss percentage. So the cost price of one article is equal to CP. The cost price of 16 article is equal to 16 into CP. So the selling price of one article is SP. So selling price of 14 articles is equal to 14 into SP. So both are equal. So cancelled 7, then 8. Here the CP by SP is equal to 7 by 8. So here the cost price is 7. The selling price is 8. See, the profit is plus 1. Find profit or loss percentage. So profit percentage is equal to 1 by 7 into 100 percentage. So value is equal to 14.2 by 7 percentage.